Jai Hind. Friends, we all would like to be successful in life. Rather, we would like to remain consistently successful in life. Today, I am dedicating this video particularly for the candidates who are aspiring for civil services, engineering services, and state services examination. But before starting this video, let me give a very simple test check to you. How do you behave under the crisis, under the pressure situation? Set A. If you belong to set A, that means you feel nervous under the pressure, but you recover your nervousness, and after that you feel confident, you feel alert, you feel you have the self-belief, you feel focused, and you tackle the problem properly. Set B. You feel nervous, but you fail to recover your nervousness. You remain nervous, you remain shaky, your ability to recall the things, your memory, it's not proper, you don't have the self-belief, and during entire process you commit a lot of errors and mistakes. Friends, if you belong to set A, then this video is not meant for you. You can skip it out. But if you belong to set B, then this video is very, very important for you. And I would rather request you watch the complete video because things are connected, For the set B students, when we think of preparing for the civil services or these important exams, first thing we go for the coaching, and the only focus remains to complete the syllabus, and our entire energy, entire focus remains on the academic part. The coachings are having the assignment to complete the syllabus, and that is only the academic part. And when you approach to the exams, the pressure and the stress, it goes high, and during the examination day, the pressure and stress is on the peak, and you feel shaky, you feel nervous, and this nervousness, it causes the loss of recalling ability, and because of all this, you commit a lot of mistakes and errors, and because of that your end result becomes negative. But the irony is that when you start analyzing your failure, again your focus remains on the academic part. You keep thinking, my syllabus was not ready, I could not complete that particular portion, I could not reproduce the answer properly. And take my words, if you are again focusing on the academic part only, then it's in all probability in the next year in the exam you may fail again. Why? Because you are not addressing the problem. The problem is your inability to handle the pressure. Inability to handle the pressure, and that you have to improve. How you will improve it? During this entire preparation, have you trained your mind and body to handle the pressure? How you will handle this? Friends, for doing this, you need to have a very good regime, and regime should have a very, very vital parameters where you have to train your body and mind regularly as you are training yourself regarding the academic part, regarding the syllabus. Your regime should have how to manage your stress, how to come out from the small failures and setbacks as early as possible, your sleep pattern, your food habits, your exercise, your yoga, everything. These things gives you a regime, and this regime gives a strength of mind and body. Friends, mental and physical strength is very, very necessary when you are preparing for such kind of an exams. And just think of all these professionals. I mean, the great players, even the successful people, they have a team, with them. The coach, the dietitians, the trainer, the physiotherapist, and all these people are having the responsibility and duty to maintain their physical and mental strength. And if you see some tennis match or some important game, if two people are playing in the final, and the person who is having a better ability to handle the pressure goes to win the trophy and the championship, and the person who is almost at par with the champion in terms of technical skills, in terms of game ability, but because the inability to handle those stressed out situations, he is the runner up, and we remember only the winners. Friends, I am bringing a set of videos for you, for all of you students, so that you can have a good resume for yourself. And these are the things which you have to address today from here. You have to train yourself along with your syllabus. Friends, keep watching our videos, stay connected. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.